Welcome to my latest listing, located in the Ahwatukee community of Mountain Park Ranch. This home is a lovely 2-story in Diamond Ridge 2. Mountain Park Ranch is home to 3 community pools, spas, lighted basketball courts and tennis courts, numerous playgrounds, and hiking and biking trails throughout the entire community for your enjoyment. This lovely 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story home is 3,318 square feet. The formal dining room has double French doors open to the expansive travertine tiled patio, perfect for alfresco dining. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a 6-burner gas thermidor oven, custom vent hood, custom cabinets, and room for a built-in refrigerator. Doing dishes is not a chore with the views you have from those kitchen windows. Offering a family room off the kitchen and a living room off the main entrance, there's room for everyone. Located upstairs, the primary bedroom has a huge walk-in shower with numerous body jets. You'll also find a balcony overlooking the backyard with amazing panoramic views of the mountains and surrounding hillsides. Imagine watching the sunrise and enjoying your morning cup of coffee. You'll find a Jack and Jill bedroom and bathroom with a loft. Perfect area for privacy for the kids. The private backyard has not only amazing views, has a sparkling pool, a grassy play area, and a huge travertine patio, both covered and uncovered. Thank you for visiting my listing with me today. Feel free to give me a call if you'd like to see it for yourself in person. Have a great day.